Well, here we are at Elysium. This is my little private getaway, if you will, up in the mountains of North Carolina. And so today we're going to do a little roughing. And it's a hard life, but someone has to do it. We're having beef bourguignon. But first, we must have some bourguignon before we do the bourguignon. So, cheers to you. Come take a look at this. That's lovely bubbling in there. That is delicious goodness right there. Again, it's a hard life when we have to rough it, but we do it so well. The wood is chestnut, red oak, and a little poplar to get it started, but all I can say is cheers to you. Good evening. Welcome to another episode of As the Ladle Turns. Actually, I'm just kidding. You can see I'm hard at work, slaving away over a hot grill and doing our famous beef bourguignon. Now, this recipe is from Antoine Westerman from Coq Rico in New York and also in Paris. And we're having tonight, our lovely libation is a little Sonoma Valley cheese board. Highly recommend this. This is a Cab Franc, Cab Sav, and Merlot blend from Sonoma. Let's put it like this. It's better than $2 Chuck and not as good as Mouton Rothschild. So, I recommend that you get some. Anyway, we've got our stew is doing its thing. About 200, 250 degrees over the fire. Leaves are starting to fall. Little tiny chill in the air. This is really, it doesn't get much better than this. When this is finished in about an hour or so, we've got some good, fresh, hearty, French-style wheat bread to have with it we got from the local market. And my friends, I so wish you were here because this is as good as it gets. Thank you very much for being here.